Start by making a base with 9 white pieces in each row. It should look like this. Now add one more row of white pieces. So there should be 3 rows of white pieces. Now add here a row of black pieces. Now add here a row of white pieces. And now add another row of white pieces. Now add here a black piece, then 2 white pieces here, then a black piece, and the rest of the row is white. Now add here a white piece in the middle. And now a black piece here and one here. And the rest of the row is white. Now add a row of white pieces. And when you add the pieces, push them towards the middle like this. So this hole would be smaller. Now take a black piece and hold it like this, and then open it up, like here, a little bit more, and then push the bottom of the piece, so here it should be flat. Now hold the piece here and push it down, like this. So it should look like this. This is going to be the leg. Make another one. and insert it here, one piece away from the middle. And on other side. There should be two pieces between the legs. Now take another two black pieces. Now take this corner and fold it up, just below this line. Then unfold, open the piece like this, and push this corner down, like this. And now repeat that to the other piece. So it should look like this. Now insert it in this row two pieces away from the center. And here on the other side. So it should look something like this. And then cut a black circle and glue it here. And then glue eyes here and here, like this. And now cut two half circles out of black paper and insert it two pieces away from the center, on one side and on the other. Something like this. When finished, it should look like this.